Was starting the entrance gate looks like this, whereby and with a little garage of parking where can be done over here. So this is the front looking side. You can see with all over required materials. So the entrance, now let's go and try to see inside how it looks like. So this is the entrance, which can be the main door. And we'll just start with the salon. This is the salon, super looking. You can see starting from down until top on the roof how it looks like. That's it, guys. You can see this is the super looking salon. Yeah, so apart from the salon now, you might need to come to this little dining area. This is the dining area, guys. Let me try to show you a little bit about the windows and how super clean it looks like. This is the dining area with the washing basin just beneath that area, with the mirror also, to which someone might need to see yourself whenever you finish doing the washing and other stuff. This is the super looking. So let's go to look to other rooms, how they look alike. Even the design, you can see the bulbs and trim. This is how it looks like. Whenever you just enter, this will be the corridor, just where you need to bypass, and we'll need to start with the one room, which is a master bedroom. This one just on right corner. So this is the master bedroom. Where mom and father, or in case you and your spouse might need to settle over here. So this is the room, super cool looking. And the entrance to the bathroom and the toilet is just this one. I need to get it done. So now we're entering to the bathroom. Here is the washing basin and a mirror just beneath to it, and the tires all over the area. And coming to here, this is the bathroom now, super looking. You see, this is the bathroom and the toilet as well, so both combined, just as a lot of hotels have been doing. It's so new, modern, super looking clean. Now as we move, these are the bathroom and toilet for the master bedroom. Coming to outside environment will be like this, with your neighbors and other stuff. On the door, this is where you might need to hang some of the clothes and other stuff. Now coming to the other room, which is next to the master bedroom, and this you can see super looking clean from down to top. So the room looks like this, with a window, super large window to enlight entrance of lights here inside. And this is it, guys. This is the family. And here also you got the sockets, the cables, and this is how it looks like, the room from inside. The second room now, just beneath the master bedroom, and coming back to the corridor, where now we need to go now. Coming, this also is just a corridor. You might need to do something here, and whenever you come over here, these are the toilet and bathroom for public. Those will just be like visitors. This is the washing basin over here, washing basin, and here hanging for other stuff. This is how it looks like. And coming over here inside, this is the bathroom now. The bathroom, super cool looking, like that, coming all the way down here. Small but fine. You can do all your activities here, showering. Then just beneath to it we got the toilet, which is this one, super looking, new modernized, which might fit our users, just like the way those are available abroad, guys, for those living abroad and those who are scared of their life over here. Now closing all. And the bathroom now. I'm coming back now to our corridor. Now we move to the next room, which is beneath to the public, and this is another room over here, small room, to which your kids might need to rest and live their life over here. So this is another room, the third room now, independent. So this house is 3+1 with 3 rooms, and within 3 rooms, one is master bedroom with everything, and the outside environment is just super looking like that, whereby you might need to hang some clothes after you wash them. Now out of the dining area we got another small room over here, to which whenever you come over here, this is the kitchen now, guys, for cooking. A kitchen, super brand looking kitchen. You can see with the places for storage of your utensils. This is the kitchen, the area for the kitchen, where you might need to store your utensils over here, but also we got the washing basin here, super modern. And just beneath the kitchen now, the food, once has been finished cooked over here, can just be brought here to the dining table, and from the dining table you can just move to the salon over here for sitting and other activities. So this is how it looks like, and you can see even the model, the design, the sink board, and everything is super good. And whenever you come over here, this is another exiting door, to which whenever you come over here you might need just to see the outside environment. This is how it looks like, where you might need to hang some of the clothes here outside. So over here hanging clothes is done over here, and you can see we got also some tanks, sim tanks, to which you might need to, or storage of water in case the normal water system will just goes off. So over there can just be used and will be supplied over there, and you can see the tires all over the environment. And this is the part which you might need to go up to the entrance over there. So roaming around the house, this is how it looks like. You're so welcome until here. This is the end now, separating the other side there, coming to this side, your neighbor coming to your house over here. Well, outside the neighborhood, this is how it looks like. So these are just neighbors. Beneath from that, coming to these neighbors on the same row. So coming from this side, these are the neighbors over here, neighbors to the house. And the house which we were just talking about, the gate is this with a little black gate. Here is whereby your entrance will be to enter into the house. So, and a little bit about the window and about the transport, you can see over here there is availability for the passage of your car in case you got any transport, and the electricity is just available, water also is available, and the super looking environment entrance just looks like that. So inside, that's how it looks like. I just showed you over there, but this is the outside environment. So for transport, there's no problem with the transport to enter here where you will be renting the house. So transport, there's no problem. And also you can see the neighborhood, so meaning the security is very important, but also got the guard here, and you have a lot of normal living people over here, so security is just available 24/7. And transport, that's the most important, and water availability, electricity, and other expenses. So you can see even the outside looking environment for the neighborhood, how they look like, supporting that everything is super fine and super cool looking.